All right. Perfect. So Zion, if you just lift your head for me. Okay, you're good. So for your machine, where it says dermabrasion, we're always going to test our machine to make sure it comes on. It's going to go through this little cycling. It's just sucking everything, making sure it's working.
Oh, wow. Neat.
And so your timer is going. That's good. The timer, never really have to worry about it because you can always reset your time.
Yeah.
Or give more time, whatever you want to do. But when it runs down to 0, the machine turns off. But that scares people. That just means the timer's off. Because people be pressing the button over here, but it's still on. But they're trying to figure out like, oh, it's on. Just reset.
So I got you on that because I work with the other machines and they had the timers on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because some people when they get this, because remember they're not estheticians like us. They get it and they're like, oh my god, I'm freaking out. I'm like, no, it's on.
No, I got you. I got you.
All right. So you can do a manual.
First, we'll do a first cleanse. You don't have to do the first cleanse if you don't want to. Whatever you want to do. But first, I'm going to do the first cleanse. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So it's if you want to, it's the aromatic the cleanser. Right there. And you want to whip it up or what you want to do?
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
I'll take it as such. Oh, yeah, image is still doing good. I'm so sorry, my hands are cold a little bit.
It's okay. My girlfriend puts her cold hands on me all the time.
Oh no,
I'm used to it. Just be on, just touching my face.
Oh man. No kids or anything, or
no?
Okay, I'm just checking. I had to, I wouldn't be doing my manly duties if I didn't.
I can't have them children.
Yeah, please. I mean, kids are great. It's just
no, they're a pain in the behind.
Yeah,
that's what they are.
Yeah, like please don't. If you don't have to, please, man.
Zion can't afford no kids.
I cannot.
Because I'm not taking care of grown people kids. I'm about to live my life.
There you go. Right.
Shoot.
Empty nester. Yeah. That's right. Amen. Amen.
This is the time of my life right here. I ain't trying to. I mean, my little grandbaby, I go and I love him. And then I leave when I'm ready. You know, when I get enough of him. That Malachi Melvin is a mess, isn't he? Oh my goodness, my little grandbaby is a hot mess.
All right, we just did the fastest cleanse in history.
Okay.
We're not going to spend too much time on it.
Yeah.
We're going to take off this cleanser.
You said we just did the fastest. That's cool.
Yeah, it was like 2 minutes.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, because I want to get into the so you can really work your machine. But I do like doing a thorough cleanse, and some people are like, well, why don't I just do the machine, let the machine do all the work? I mean, you can. It's just.
But if I'm gonna charge like 130, 140, but it's facial.
Right.
So with me charging that, no.
Right.
I'm going to give them a full because that's my touch.
Exactly.
That's how I'll make my money because I do a full process. You know.
You go. That's right.
I like those better.
It's just a little scratchy, that's all. And then these ones are just a little spongy. So is there a difference, Zion? Not too much, right?
I
Not too much. Good. You don't know.
I ain't paying no attention.
I am. I like this one though.
You like that one better? Zion just glad to get his skin done because I started them. And now I've created monsters.
I was telling her, I was like, I'll just be sitting down here. You can work on my face.
Literally, the 14-year-old, when he gets a pimple, he wants me to put the, what's the one that you, do the zit? What's that machine? High frequency.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the little one wants me to, when he get a pimple, put the high frequency on.
No, it's good because most people don't grow up with, like, my mom was rough on my face. She would take that soap and water and, rinse my face and, with the soap and really, really rinse the crap out of my face. I hated it. But she was right, all those years. In high school, I had acne, but not as bad as my friends, like, at all. Like, they had serious acne. but no one took care of their skin. So no, they're good. They're taking advantage, which is good. So the wand, you already put your head on.
Mm-hmm.
So the head, you can turn your head to where the suction is. So this button right here
Mm-hmm.
confuses everybody
Mm-hmm.
because when you hit it, it just turns it off.
Yeah.
But when you're holding your wand, sometimes you forget and hit it again, and it
Mm-hmm.
scares people. Like, no. I wish they would have put the button like maybe
Yeah, I got
back
you.
here or somewhere else, but oh well. And so see how this it's like angled.
Mm-hmm.
So I had it facing this way, and so if you have it facing this way, it's kind of harder. So I always turn my head to where this button and the head are pointing down.
Okay.
Because like say the thing was opposite, it's gonna be facing towards me, which it would still suck. It's
Mm-hmm.
just a preference. So you just hit your button again. And normally we would wear gloves, but I rarely ever wear gloves unless I'm doing a chemical peel, extractions,
Yeah.
you know.
It's some right
Poking
there
stuff.
if you need some though.
Okay.
Okay. I got it right there.
Oh,
Look.
right here.
Mm-hmm. All in reach.
Man. Because people will yell on YouTube all the time, you didn't wear gloves. I'm like, look, I don't need to wear gloves. I know what I'm doing. But yes, if it's blood, if it's extraction, yeah, wear gloves. I always
Yeah.
wear gloves. Yeah, I don't never extract somebody's skin without. No.
So the first step, this one right here, what are we doing this step? What's this?
This is going to be your 8 chamber. We're going to cleanse the skin again. So it's
Okay.
basically like your second cleansing. You know how they teach us in school to do
So
2 or 3?
did you do A? Did you put it on A?
Not yet.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we're just making sure our equipment
Okay.
works first. Or the suction works. So for your suction, or you can set it on 8, or you don't have to, but normally this is still going to be on. It's just going to be in a different chamber. So yeah, if you don't make sure it's on A, but I'm just checking the pressure.
Okay.
So normally I just turn the machine on, and no matter what setting it's on, for instance, turn it on,
Okay.
and I'm just making sure I see my water, in which you see how it's moving and bubbling and
Yeah.
everything. So yeah, it's working. So then now I go to A. It only does that because I turned it upside down. Normally when you turn it this way and suck,
Okay,
and then when you turn it
and
drink, right, it makes that because it's face up,
okay.
and it's not sucking anything. All right. And there was nothing wrong with your D chamber because you had it on D. D is perfect because you have your deoxygenized water or deoxygenated or deionized or distilled water. So the 3Ds. And so as long as you have that, you can still cleanse the skin. Because even though we cleansed it with the sponges,
Mm-hmm.
let's just go back to D for one moment. Alright, so we're on D.
Mm-hmm.
So this is just going to be the clean water. Let's just say I did the sponges, but I still want to clean his skin even more.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure the water comes out. It's coming. So see how I have a little bit too much water coming out?
Yeah, so you want to change the water flow.
Right.
Okay.
Those are
And
hot.
D is the back oxygenated water.
Right, just the fresh water.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so see that's almost perfect. Middle is almost where you always wanted it to be, but I
Okay.
dialed down just a little bit more. So, yeah, perfect. All right, Don, here we go.
Are we gonna do D or are we gonna do A?
Oh, this is D. I'm just
Okay.
explaining how if we already did this cleaning off the
Yeah.
soap, but you say you want to do it with the machine,
Mm-hmm.
and say you don't want to do it with your sponges, you can use your machine to take off the soap too. You're just using D.
Okay.
And so see how the suction is too much for his skin? So see right. See if you can pull it all the way off, all we're gonna do is go to the air. So air, we're gonna turn it down. So about middle or less than middle, just a little bit. So middle is always where you want it to be. So when we suck the skin again, see it's well, not that much less pressure, but it's a little bit less. And we kind of want to do fast passes because the water level, it starts to leak a little bit too much.
Okay.
Now, if it starts to leak to the side, we can always
Yeah,
have
just-
a towel and put it over his neck if he's
Okay.
good. So then we're gonna turn to the right. Perfect. Perfect. Yep, I'm just gonna have it like right way underneath there, cause that water's gonna come dripping on down there. I'm making sure.
You're good.
And when you come and it snap off.
Mm-hmm.
So when you come and let's say you try to pull it this way, right, it's still gonna pull and spit. But when you come and then you just break right off, like you just bring it off the skin. It just comes off
Like
right
my
nice and
vacuum.
easy.
Like my extraction vacuum.
Damn. Suction is really, really strong. Yeah. So see how the suction is much lighter now? It doesn't really pull everything off the face.
Are you comfortable, Zion?
Yeah.
But because there's not a lot of suction, there's more water that's gonna come out. So that's like the trade-offs, and then you have to kind of almost readjust your water again.
Okay. Got you.
So see, now it's like almost too light. It's like it's not really doing the job that it needed to do. So we can go back right back up.
Okay.
Yeah. And all I'm doing is doing fast passes, but normally you would just go slow, break it off, slow, break it off, slow, break it off. Up your lip, I normally hold the corners or on top of the lip, so I'm just gonna hold half the lip and then pull. Top of the nose. I don't know, section's too much. It's almost like when you get into the master school, when they start doing the derma or diamond tip microdermabrasion. Go to your right. It's kind of the same movements, the same suction and everything. I hated doing the class version of it. I like to go faster, but they teach you in school, you know, to go slow. But slow, you know, you can go this slow.
Yeah, I would go faster.
Yeah, but I mean, some people like this. It's not too bad. So how's that feel? It's not too bad.
Not too bad. It's pretty nice.
Oh, okay. Oh, so see, I'm wrong. So see, then go slow. So I guess the school method is better than. So then go nice and slow. As long as the client likes it, then yeah, go slow.
Yeah.
And you start to see all the bubbles. and
Zion
the cool
don't
stuff.
care. Zion just like to get. Zion just want. They spoiled. They just want to be pampered. Both of them.
All right. So since I did that side, you're gonna do this side. Okay.
Okay.
So all we're doing is basically just learning how to actually use the D chamber, the clean water.
I can't get up in here.
Uh-oh. Yeah, because everybody wants to rush and go straight to A, B, C, and D. I'm like, no, just learn the water first. Learn, D, see how it sucks, see the ins and outs of your machine, and then we go to A, B, and C. Perfect.